Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here in this page, you can see the number of followers I have just above the edit profile option. Click on it, tap on following. Just above the search button, you can see the text that tells us to see others you're following on Instagram that you aren't following on Threads yet. Now tap on See All button, which is a bit darker than other text. So in order to add them on Threads, you'll have to click on Follow All button. And if you are sure, click on the Confirm button. And this is how you can add all your Instagram following on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.